Hi, Plant Panthers. I'm Tara Clark. I'll be your Algebra 2 Honors, or AP Calculus AB teacher this year. I'm looking forward to having a great year. I know it'll start out a little weird, but we'll be in it together and I'll get you through it. Don't worry, I've got you. I've been a teacher since 1997 in Hillsborough County and at Plant High School since 2012. I'm not just a teacher, I'm also a parent. I have a rising junior at Plant and an 8th grader at Coleman. So I know how things are going on both sides. Feel free to talk to me, I get you. Supplies that you're gonna need for the courses, no matter which course it is a spiral notebook. If you prefer to do your homework on a tablet or an iPad, that's fine too. You're gonna be submitting electronically, so it's fine if you take a picture of paper or if you do it on a pad or a tablet, that's fine. I'm good with either one. And for the Algebra 2 Honors and the Calculus classes, you will need a graphing calculator. I prefer the TI-84 calculators. There's two types, colored and non-colored. The colored one is about 118, the non-colored is about 88. Start looking for sales, they'll be going on pretty soon, all those back to school sales. So you might be able to strike a deal on one of those. It does not really matter which one. If you're an Algebra 2 Honors, this is an investment for the next couple of years. You might want to get the colored one because it will make things easier as you go on, just differentiating the graphs, but it's not necessary, so whichever. Don't get any of the other calculators though. I don't know how to use those. They're not training us. They train us in the TI calculators only and not the Inspire. I don't know how to use that, or the Casio. We're not trained in that. So if you get one of those, fine, but you're on your own. I only know the TI calculators, the 83s and 84s. So 83s, I don't even think they sell anymore. So that's why I recommend the 84s. Algebra 2 Honors, you will be covering lines and linear systems, quadratics and polynomials first quarter. Most of those topics were Algebra 1 topics. For Algebra 2 regular, same topics, but just not as in depth. So we're gonna get through those just fine. It'll be a lot of, oh, I remember that from Algebra 1, so you'll be fine. Calculus, we're gonna cover limits and derivatives first quarter, and those should have been taught at the end of pre-calculus, but if for some reason your pre-cal teacher didn't get to that because of all the chaos last year, don't worry, I got you, we're gonna get through that too, not a problem. Communication is gonna be the key this year. Canvas is our new system replacing EDSB. I think you'll like it a lot better. Colleges use it, so when you get to college, you'll be familiar with it. It's a great system, so please communicate, communicate, communicate. Ask me questions. I'm not expecting you to know the material. I'm the one that knows the material. I'm here to teach you, you know, so just ask if you have questions. I want to help you. I want you to learn this, and I want you to like it. So feel free to reach out to me. Until you do get Canvas though, if you have questions, send me an email. I'm at the school's district email. It's tara.dlark@sdhc.k12.fl.us. If you can't remember that, go to Plant's website, look under directory, teachers, and you should be able to get to me from there too. Looking forward to a great year. I can't wait to meet you all on the 24th. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.